Have you ever felt like cleaning your home is a never-ending battle? Between pet hair, dust that comes back the same day you vacuum, and floors that never seem to stay shiny, I know how overwhelming it can feel. That's exactly why today I am sharing my full experience with the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop, a machine that has completely changed the way I keep my home clean. And listen, if you want to dive deeper, the full article with all the specs, comparisons, and insider tips is linked right now in the description and in the very first comment, so don't miss it. Now I want you to stay with me for the next few minutes, because I'm not just going to tell you this is another fancy robot vacuum. I'm going to show you exactly how it solves the real problems we face every single day. Whether it is dealing with pet hair, navigating carpets and hardwood, keeping Persian rugs fresh, or just giving us back the most precious thing we own, our time. So let's start with what impressed me first, the navigation system. The Dreame X50 Ultra doesn't just bounce around the room randomly like older robots I've tried. It uses the VersaLift AI navigation system, with a camera that actually pops up, scans the environment with LED guidance, and builds a precise map of your home in less than 15 minutes. That means from day one, it already knows where your rugs are, where your furniture stands, and where those tricky corners are. And it doesn't just memorize, it adapts. If you have Persian-style rugs like I do, or thick carpet in one room and hardwood in another, this robot recognizes the difference instantly. No more wet mops running across your carpet. No more rugs being dragged across the floor. That kind of smart detection is a game changer. And speaking of carpets, let's talk about suction power. The Dreame X50 Ultra has Vormax suction up to 20,000 PA. Now, numbers don't always mean much on paper, but in real life, this thing is a beast. On high-pile carpets, it pulls out embedded dust and pet dander that my regular upright vacuum would leave behind. On hardwood floors, it catches even the tiniest crumbs and debris without scattering them around. And if you have pets like I do, 2 cats and a dog, you'll love the DuoBrush system. It's designed to avoid tangles, even with long hair up to 12 inches. That's huge, because nothing is worse than spending hundreds on a robot, only to end up on your hands and knees cutting out hair from the roller brush. Now, let's move to the mopping feature, because I was skeptical at first. Most robot vacuums that claim to mop just drag a damp cloth across the floor. Not this one. The Dreame X50 Ultra Complete has a self-cleaning dual-tank system, one for fresh water, one for dirty water, and it actually washes and dries the mop pads during and after cleaning. That means no bad odors, no bacteria buildup, and no streaky floors. The mop pads extend outward to reach within 0.4 inches of the wall, so edges are finally clean, not ignored. And what really surprised me is how the robot can detect the difference between solid dirt, liquid spills, or even a mix of both, and adjust its cleaning strategy. It's like having someone in your home who knows when to scrub harder or when to wipe gently. But here's where I get personal. I live in a busy house by a main road. Dust builds up every single day. My kids are constantly running in and out. Pets shed hair everywhere. And honestly, cleaning felt like a losing battle. I used to vacuum once or twice a week, and still the house looked dusty after just 24 hours. Since I got the Dreame X50 Ultra, I've noticed a dramatic difference. The air feels cleaner, there's way less dust floating around, and I only use my regular vacuum maybe once every 10 days now. That's not just convenience, that's health. My allergies have calmed down, and the overall environment feels fresher. Another huge plus is the Dreame app. It's intuitive and powerful. You can schedule cleanings, set custom modes, choose whether you want vacuuming only, vacuum and mop, or mop after vacuuming. You can see the real-time map, send the robot to specific rooms, and even view the live camera feed if you want to check what the robot sees. That's right, it streams camera views to your phone. It almost feels like a mini security device on top of being a cleaning machine. Of course, let's talk about noise. Is it silent? No. With that much suction power, it's about half as loud as my upright vacuum, which is actually impressive. During mapping, it's almost silent, because it's just scanning. During max vacuuming, you'll hear it, but it's not disruptive. I wouldn't run it at night while everyone's asleep, but during the day it blends into the background. Now, I know what you're wondering. What about maintenance? Nobody wants a high-tech gadget that becomes a chore to clean. Dreame really thought this through. The dust bags are replaceable, which means no messy bin emptying. The mop system cleans itself, so you just refill clean water and empty dirty water every few days. There's even a refillable solution tank for the included floor cleaner concentrate, which lasts for weeks. The app notifies you when it's time to change a filter, replace a mop pad, or empty a tank. For me, it feels more like light supervision than actual maintenance. So let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The Dreame X50 Ultra Complete is not cheap. This is a premium robot vacuum and mop, no doubt about it. But here's the way I look at it. You are not just buying a cleaning gadget, you are buying back hours of your life every single week. Time you can spend with your family, your pets, or just relaxing. If you value your time and your peace of mind, this isn't an expense. It's an investment. And for households with pets, kids, or busy schedules, it's worth every penny. To wrap it up, the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop is one of the smartest, most powerful, and most convenient cleaning devices I've ever used. It handles carpets, hardwood, rugs, pet hair, dust, and spills with ease. It navigates like a pro, mops with precision, and basically takes care of itself. For me, it hasn't just made my house cleaner, it has made my life easier. So, if you're tired of cleaning being a full-time job, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. And remember, the full article with detailed specs, comparisons to other top models, and tips for maximizing your Dreame X50 Ultra is waiting for you in the description and in the very first comment. Don't miss it, because at the end of the day, your home should be a place where you live, not where you clean.